69 degrees for our high today. We just missed by 1 degree 4 straight days in the 70s. That's tough to do in early January. We've had a lot of mild air this week. Now we're about to flip the script and go back to typical temperatures and actually go below average by the second half of the weekend. 63 out there now, still mild for the time being. Temperatures will still be in the 50s tonight, which is well above normal. The cold air will start pouring in tomorrow afternoon, so numbers won't do a whole lot throughout the day on Saturday, kind of holding steady in the 50s. Got a whole mess going on across the deep south, right? This is the front that went by early this morning, and this is the whole reason why I said throughout the week, not really a system we needed to worry about. There wasn't enough energy last night to give us anything problematic, and now the atmosphere is stabilized because we're on the north side of the front. This is where the activity is going to be, and problematic thunderstorms the rest of this afternoon, the rest of this evening. Is already ongoing severe weather down towards Baton Rouge and southern portions of Mississippi. None of that is going to make it to us. We're on the northern side of this front. This area low pressure is going to ride along this boundary, of course, throw more moisture over the top of it. We just kind of get this stratiform rain, as we call it, areas of rain, a couple rumbles of thunder, but just rain for the most part. So south of I-40 in particular, I think we have the highest rain chance, and that's probably where we're going to end up with the highest rainfall totals as well by early tomorrow morning. Nothing in terms of storm energy, storm fuel, instability to get anything, again, problematic in terms of big thunderstorms. So that's why the Storm Prediction Center has continued to just trim the entire Mid-South out of any sort of severe threat. It's all well down to our south, so no issues in that regard. Storm Tracker 3S, we've got a couple areas of showers that have been pretty persistent, kind of in the same spots through Phillips County, Helena, West Helena, with just a little area of rain that's right over top of you and pretty persistent. And that extends over towards Tunica and portions of Tunica County. A little bit of drizzle trying to get up towards Hernando as well. Rain will just continue to overspread much of the viewing area, especially along and south of I-40 this evening and into the overnight. So it's going to be a soggy night in spots, but if you're further north, a couple sprinkles maybe up towards Blytheville, and that's about it. It's areas, again, along I-40 and south where the highest rain chances are. You may get an inch or so of rain in some places south of I-40 by early tomorrow morning, but I think those numbers kind of few and far between. Start off tomorrow morning with a couple spotty showers, then the clouds clear after lunchtime west to east. You'll get some sunshine first across eastern Arkansas, then the rest of us will start to see that clearing trend east of the river as the evening goes on tomorrow. 53 tonight, areas of rain tomorrow afternoon. We're not going to warm up much. Generally speaking, it's a clearing trend, but it's going to take a little bit of a few hours to clear out the clouds. So mostly cloudy skies overall for Saturday. Full sunshine back by Sunday. Much colder air, though. 40s for highs on Sunday afternoon, 20s there in the morning.
All right, it's going to be chilly.
Yep.
All right. Thank you, Tyler.